We decided to start with Archicad. I think we started with like 3 years.
It was, yeah, I think version 4. It was kind of 1994 maybe.
And we liked it for a couple reasons. One is that it was library-based, so like a window would be a window instead of a series of lines.
It's evolved over the past 20 years in the office. You know, the 3D aspect of it and the BIM components we're really kind of easing into. We don't do that every project, but as time goes on, I think we see opportunities with contractors to share information and models. I think we're able to use the 3D features and look at details, like crazy roofing details, and you can really kind of explain and kind of integrate that into a CD set, which is super helpful, and those can be generated, you know, just out of the program.
So we've been really focusing on doing all our projects in full 3D so that we have a model that's a complete model, and it starts to look as good and sometimes better as SketchUp.
We're able to use Archicad model to start up presentation drawings, which we maybe submit for awards or we do at community presentations. Kind of engage in different ways for different outputs is really a great benefit.
That's been a huge change for us.
Yeah, I mean, there's a lot of, I think, opportunities for client education and really kind of explaining designs through VR. That can be pretty cool. And also just the connections around from outside of the building, you know, the context of the city. So I think that has some potential for the future for us.
It's a shared team project, both with us and with our developers. They push us, we push them, and it's all in the name of community development.